So in today's video, we'll be looking at members of our family, how they are being pronounced, how they are being called in the Igbo language. So the first on our list is brother. Brother is pronounced nwanne m nwoke. Nwanne m nwoke. Then we have sister. Sister is pronounced nwanne m nwanyị. Nwanne m nwanyị. We have husband. Husband is pronounced di. Di. We have wife. Wife is pronounced nwunye. Nwunye. We have son. Son is pronounced nwa nwoke. Nwa nwoke. We have daughter. Daughter is pronounced nwa nwanyị. Nwa nwanyị. We have child or baby, and it is pronounced nwa. Nwa. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.